Welcome back to 6 News at 6. Time to take a look at your weather, and we're starting off with a little bit of a recap of the month of May. We're now in June. I know it's June 3rd, but I wasn't here over the course of the weekend, so now we're going to talk about it on Monday the 3rd. But for the month of May, it was a very wet May. If you thought it was wet, you weren't imagining things. In fact, it was the wettest May on record. 15, just a little bit better than 15¼ inches of rain. That is first since they started keeping records back before 1900. So yes, it was a very wet May. As far as the spring, and remember, in the meteorological community, we classify spring as March 1st through May 31st, so it's full months, the 3 full months of March, April, and May. 22.45 inches for the spring. That makes it the 5th wettest spring on record. And for the year to date, 28.6. That's from January 1st through May 31st. If you take that time period, go all the way back through the time record keeping has been done, 4th wettest year to date, January 1st through May 31st on record. Do a little quick math there, and that tells you that we only got about 6 inches of rain from January into February. So a normal May, 4.44, blew that out of the water. Normal spring, 11.05, blew that out of the water. Year to date, 16.32, a little bit closer, but still blew that right out of the water. And of course, with all that rain, we've had a lot of flooding concerns, a lot of severe weather concerns. Of course, it's also done a number on area lakes. Take a look at this. Waco has actually got up 4 feet in the last week, and that has to do a lot with the rain we saw over the weekend. And of course, late Thursday night, still 17.5 feet above normal. Belton's down, Stillhouse is down, but still 16, 15 feet above normal. And then of course, Whitney and Georgetown, again, still just take a look at this, 7.5 feet at Whitney. Georgetown, though, very close to the bank. So if you're going out boating, of course, Georgetown right now is the way to go, with them being right near full. As far as rain for the month of June, well, we're starting off again. Over the course of the weekend, we saw a few showers and thunderstorms, especially in Hill County. Right now, we're watching a complex drop south out of Oklahoma through the DFW Metroplex right now. But what we're seeing in the last several scans is this is really receding off to the east here as the entire system pushes east as well. You can see there was a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Hunt County, but that has since been allowed to expire. Lots of flood concerns, though, across DFW. Now, one model we have shows this eastward kind of retreat continuing throughout the rest of the night, which would leave us rain-free. Our other forecast model shows it actually expanding to cover central Texas here over the next few hours, and then lasting into the wee small hours of the morning. What is the reality of the situation? Well, several of us will probably see showers and thunderstorms as we head through the next several hours, but I don't think everybody will be in that coverage as this model has just shown. Slight chances for tomorrow. This model keeps us dry for your Tuesday, and then for Wednesday, we're going to watch another chance for showers and thunderstorms to move in Wednesday evening into the nighttime hours. So slight chances tomorrow and Wednesday. Most of us will see nothing at all, but it's worth noting that there is at least a chance for some showers for your Tuesday and your Wednesday. For tonight, slight chance for severe weather for our northeastern counties, level 1 marginal risk for most of us. That is what the question is. How many of us will see the showers and thunderstorms overnight? What is not questionable is it was hot today, felt like 106 across the area, most of us in that 110 range with your heat index values, and that's not going anywhere this week. Yes, we have several questions about rainfall over your Tuesday and your Wednesday, but we will definitely be hot with highs in the 90s, those heat index values up over 100 degrees.
Yeah, here we go. All right, Matt, thank you.